Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Alicia. If this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. Alright, so we are back with another video. If you have been sleeping on Walmart, wake up. Wake up. You're dreaming. It's a nightmare. They're here. You guys have heard me say two of my favorite brands are Free People and Scoop. I actually did a shopping while curvy on those two brands specifically a while ago. I will try to find it and link it in the cards for you. But this is just a roundup. We have some Scoop. We got some Free Assembly. No Boundaries. A roundup of all the pieces that I have bought. Well, not all of them, because a few of them that I have bought lately. Most of the ones I've already worn, so I will have a video already up. For those that I have not, I will have the camera. We're going to try them on. We're going to do all the things. I will link what I can, and then I will just link some of my favorite, like, not with Amazon, Walmart pieces that I have been eyeing lately anyway. So I think that's enough of an intro. Let's get right into it. Alright, we're going to start with the outfit that I have on right now. Both of these are from Walmart, which I love. I had to wait for this one to come back in stock, and I want to say the last time I checked, it's currently out of stock. Well, unless you're an extra small. But I will say just sign up for notifications, because Walmart, especially depending on the number of people that are waiting to be notified, they will restock it. Like I said, the first time I saw this, it had completely sold out. It does retail for $22, although right now it's on sale for, I got it for $15.40, and that was even after a restock. So maybe they will restock it again, but I love it. This has been my go-to uniform vest with a pair of jeans, or a vest with a pair of trousers. I absolutely love this combination. So this is from the Scoop brand. As I said before, I did get this in a size small. Love the buttons here. It's just these buttons. A lot of companies are slacking with the buttons. Zara. The buttons have been terrible. Not them like breaking. It's just the buttons have been ugly. Ugly. Okay, so I love that this has the nice, cute, detailed bronze gold buttons. Really cute, nice, and stretchy. And then I just have it paired with a pair of these like cuff Jessica Simpson jeans. I got them before in a size like 12, 10, 12, and I love them. So when they got too big, they were currently sold out. Now they have restocked. To me, Jessica Simpson and especially Sofia Vergara, they are two of my favorite brands on Walmart for their jeans. So I got these in a true size 8. And I absolutely love them. This is my outfit today. I paired it with my, this ain't got nothing to do with the video because these are not Walmart, so forgive me, but I paired it with these like Amazon mesh heels. Maybe, I know I did an outfit of the day. I will put that up there, but I absolutely love these. Love this combination. Alright, the next couple of items I have already tried on, so I would just like pop up a video, but wanted to mention them. First up is this olive green sweater. I had thought about making like a Merlot, a deep wine. I always like to have a color of the season, and I thought for the fall and the winter I was gonna make this olive, not the olive, the Merlot, like my color, because I really love it. And then I keep seeing olive, and I'm like, why are you changing up? Like, olive green was my color of the year last year. It's gonna be my color this year. I love olive green. I love that deep forest green. So I picked this up. I got this in a size medium, which is an 8'10". Definitely anticipating wearing this. I'm thinking like crop jacket, tall boots, or I could put like a turtleneck under it with some tights and some like heels or some ankle boots. Love this. This is definitely a item that I will be wearing like over and over again, and I love it that it has a little bit of split, but I think because I am not that tall and the slit isn't that short, that I can get away without always having to wear tights under this. Like I said, I can do a pair of like tall boots and be okay. I did pay, they stopped putting price tags on Walmart clothes. I wonder why that is. I got this in, like I said, a size medium. This was $26. It is from the Free Assembly brand, and let me see, 100% polyester. So that is the details on this baby. All right, next up, I also got this long sleeve sweater dress, which I love. This is from the No Boundaries brand. I got it in a size medium, which is also an 8'10". We love her. I do anticipate that I probably am going to have to wear shapewear. I'm not someone that always reaches for shapewear, not just because I lost weight, child. I was 200 plus not wearing shapewear. To me, it's like I don't know, shapewear was never like my go-to thing, but like recently I have. I feel like Yitty and Spanx has some of the best shape. I feel like they have some of the best shapewear that doesn't make you feel like you're wearing shapewear, but it kind of like, it smooths stuff out. And I feel like before shapewear was trying to like, I don't need to be sucked in. I just want to smooth the rolls out, smooth the cellulite out. $12 and not, wow. Is it still in stock? Yo, it's fully in stock. And they have it in a rose color, which I would not recommend for the fall and the winter. It's definitely given Easter. But the heather gray is gorgeous. And this is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Alright, the last dress that I got, which is my favorite dress. As a matter of fact, I don't know if my Chicago vlog has already came out, but we wore this in Chicago. And it's a vibe. Love this. This is the scooped ruched dress. It's given body. I love it. Even my girl Janisha has worn this before, and this is the perfect dress for anyone with any kind of, whether you are curvy, straight, mid-size, plus size. It is perfect. I did get a size small because I knew that it ran a little bigger just based on the sizing that some of the other creators have gotten. Let's see, this is $26. Like I said, it's a Scoop brand. There has to be some kind of spandex in here. Let me see. A lot of things. 38 rayon, 28 cotton, 28 acrylic, sorry, and then 6% spandex. Now, just looking at the sizing, it is available in black and an extra small. Okay, so if you're smaller than me. But they do have it in a mauve color, which I wouldn't recommend. But then they have it in like this boysen, like a nice deep red color that's also super cute. So yeah, love this. Wore it with some heels. She was a vibe. She was a good time. Alright, when it comes to jackets, I did get 2 of them. I love this. You guys heard me say that I was going to try not to do olive green. I've been seeing too much olive green for me not to be the color. I feel like olive green and chocolate brown are going to be my colors for the season. So I picked up this crop bomber jacket from the brand Scoop. I did get this in a size small. I kind of wanted to fit a little bit tighter than this, so I probably should have got it in an extra small, which is why this tag is still here. I'm trying to debate if I want to take it back. If the extra small is not available, I'm going to keep the small because I still love it. I did get this, let me see, they're out of small and they're out of mediums, but they do have an extra small. And both the shell, the feel, which is a little thick stuff in here, and the lining is 100% polyester. So yeah, we love her. This is my favorite part. I love this. This is just such a cute like jacket. Like I said, I kind of want to get, I don't know, an extra small because I don't want it to fit. I wanted to get an extra small so it could be a little shorter, but maybe I would just, I don't even know if that's something my tailor can make it shorter. I don't think she's gonna be able to do that. She might be able to put a heavy elastic, so she'll about be able to take in the elastic back here so that when I have it up here it will fit tighter. But I don't know. I also don't want her to mess it up. This was $36. And then I wasn't going to look at this one until I saw my girl Jasmine, what Jazz wears. She had some version of this, and I saw that Walmart also had it, so I picked this up. This is the No Boundaries brand. And it's kind of like a trucker jacket. Apparently trucker jackets are going to be trending. I don't like the large oversized one, so when I saw this one in a crop situation, I was like, you know what? I could actually do this. Nothing really super fancy about it, but it's just, I love the trucker type. It does have right here where you can like take in, like there's a button before you get to that. And I just have it on the last button just to kind of give me, let's move that one, to give me a little bit more of the crop effect. Now what I can do, and what I probably am going to take this to, is that to give me more of a cropped, I will probably go to her and ask her to add one more button on each side so that I can have it super cropped. So instead of it looking like this, it looks like this, which may not seem like a lot right now, but especially if I kind of like want to wear it out without looking oversized. Now if I'm zipping it, I feel like it's fine, but if I want to wear it out like this, I kind of want to get it back. Subtle difference, but I feel like it's the subtle differences that make all of the difference when it comes to the outfit. And then you'll have like the cinching back here. So that is one thing that I am going to do. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like before, and then you'll just watch a vlog to see what it looks like after. $19.98. Sizes are very limited, sorry. And this is 97% cotton, 3% spandex. What I will say is that Walmart is very heavy on collaborations with influencers, specifically for the like their fashion category. So a lot of times when something is new, especially when you're talking about the Free Assembly, Scoop, No Boundaries, or the Sofia Vergara collections, they go relatively fast because they like, hey, we're gonna have all these influencers push their campaigns on this and date, and that's the drop dates. So a lot of the stuff, especially if it's like popular, it goes really fast because you have all these other influencers pushing it. Walmart ain't paid for me to play this video. I just wanted to give you guys a affordable fashion video, but that's just something that you have to look for when you see something that a creator is pubbing about Walmart and you really like it. I would advise you go ahead and get it, because sometimes they restock, but sometimes they don't, and you'd rather go ahead and get it. And also the price point is great. Like, you have Brandon Maxwell, who has his own Brandon Maxwell collection at Fashion Week, and I'm telling you, I looked at the prices, they're not $25 and $30, these dresses and these pieces that he's making. So for him to take his time and effort to come over here and design a collection for Walmart and still put in the same like thought, care, and team, it's amazing. I think that's all that I have gotten a video for. I showed these to you guys in a video, in a vlog. There's a bow cargo pants, but I'm also going to try them on. So let me try these. All right, so these are the cargo pants, and I love them just as much as when I first got them. This is from the No Boundaries brand. I am being honest, I have really been sleeping on the No Boundaries brand. It was a brand that I remember growing up, okay? I'm not gonna date myself, but it's been around for a while, and I was unaware until maybe like a couple of months ago that they did do a rebrand, and I have been loving it. So these are the bow cargo pants. I was shocked because I actually found these in the store, and it wasn't until I physically looked around the Walmart, I went to the one on 280, that they have redone their fashion section. So there's more items in the store that I love than normally. I'm just like, oh, let me just shop online because I haven't seen anything. I love these. I did get these in a size 8. Love them. Haven't had to get them altered. They have a little bit of fabric back here, but not anything for me to warrant taking to get altered. Love them. They have they call them bow because they tie the bow down here, or you can just leave them stringing. I have the first two just open, and then the bottom I kept it on the bow. What else? $19.98, $20, and they feel amazing. I want to say this was 60-40, yeah, 60 cotton, 40 polyester, or basically 36 polyester, and then 3 to 4% other fibers. I don't know what that means, but they feel extremely soft. They are a little low, so I have on a pair of high-waisted undergarments, and I had to push them down so you wouldn't be able to see them. So they are low. My belly is right here and they sit right here. You probably could wear them up like this, but you see how it then turns into high waters? Well, to me, I don't like the way that looks. So I just have to keep them the low. So in this situation, I have worn them with just something that I can put on top. I haven't worn them with anything that involves skin, because they are pretty low. But yeah, no, other than that, I absolutely really love them. So yeah, let's get into the last one, which is a set that I'm obsessed with. Every year, Free Assembly, specifically, it's Free Assembly or Scoop, it's one of them. Scoop, I apologize. Scoop comes out with a couple of suits that make me wish I was in corporate America and I could wear a suit every day. You guys have seen these pants. I've shown you these pants before in a recent vlog, and I said I was trying to debate between a 6 and an 8. I ended up going with a 6 because look at that. No waist gap, okay? Absolutely love them. They are a little long, but I do anticipate wearing them with heels. I've actually worn them without. I wore them with a pair of sandals and just did my temporary hem tape. And then it wasn't until I was talking to my girl that I realized that there's a blazer to match. And the quickness with which I went online and bought this blazer, I got the only size they had available at the time. I think they have done a small restock. I can't say for certain, but I got this in a size medium, which is an 8-10. Like I said, it is a little oversized. So I can't decide if I want to get it tailored or if I just want to wear a belt with it and kind of leave it oversized. I don't know. But tell me this is not the best suit. And then when I was in there and I was checking out, it said also, would you like to get, it recommended me something. There's a skirt that goes with it. And this is the reason why I want to leave it oversized. Let me show you the skirt. This is why I kind of want to leave it a little bit oversized. Look at the skirt. Picture this with a pair of like my black knee-high boots or my red, y'all. Let me give you the vibe. Let me paint the picture, because I feel like I can talk all day, but I need to give you the picture. Just one boot, okay? Just one. Focus, Alicia. Now you see why I want to keep it kind of like oversized to be able to do this look with this Walmart brand. This is why whenever Scoop, and someone was like, oh, how do you know when they do new arrivals? I check every week. I have my things that I do every week. I check Zara's new arrivals on Sunday. I check Walmart's new arrivals on Monday. Most of the time they don't have that many, but I will absolutely check them. Free People and Scoop, I'm going to check and see what you have available. Look at this. Okay. All right, and then just like that, we are done. I just really wanted to give you guys that. I have been so excited for the Walmart pieces that I have picked up lately. I actually did just place another order. Please don't judge. I will link those in addition to what I just mentioned, as long as you don't judge. Walmart has just been really good, and as I said before, a lot of my fall and winter pieces that I wore last year just don't fit this year, and I'm just trying to replace the holes as economic as possible, so I will link those below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and I'm going to catch you guys Thursday, 7 o'clock. Later.